project that was already started, and pressure wash was already done. As you can tell, it's pretty white, and the sides, a lot of the sides were already installed. I got here to this job after they already started working on it. So as you can see, we're gonna be working on the top panels today. This thing was definitely pretty dirty before we got started on it. All the top panels we took out yesterday. Pressure washed the top of the spline groove out. That way it keep the grooves nice and clean.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong.
Got all new top panels in. Well, all new panels everywhere pretty much, but we got all the tops in today. We did all the sides yesterday.
Gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue water, dark and dusty, painted on the